Hey, it's Mortgage Mo, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about how you can improve your credit score so that way you can qualify for a home loan. So the first thing I always recommend is to keep your credit card balances below 30% of your maximum limit. What I mean by that is if you have a $1,000 spending limit, make sure that the balance is paid down to $300 or less by the end of the month. Now I know not all of you guys can afford to do that, so you can always ask your credit issuer for an increase in your credit limit. So let's say that you can only pay it down to $450. That's 45% of $1,000, which would damage your credit score. So ask your credit issuer to increase your credit limit to $1,500, therefore keeping your credit limit at 30% of the total value. Another tip I always recommend is don't close your credit lines. You've worked long and hard paying your bills and paying off those credit cards, and if you shut it down, it's kind of like getting straight A's but not showing anybody. That's going to hurt your score. Credit history is a big important factor of what determines your credit score. And then last thing I recommend is don't just pay off your collection accounts. I can't tell you how many times I've had clients pay off collection accounts and it actually hurts their credit score because it brings up old negative attention to the top of the credit report, and sometimes it dings your score. So if you have any more questions about what you can do to improve your score or anything about getting qualified for a home loan, what score you need to have, give me a call at 714-335-4655. Thanks.